In today's fast-moving retail world, businesses need more than just a billing system. They need control, clarity, and complete visibility. Introducing Next-Gen POS by Photon Software, a powerful cloud-based point-of-sale solution designed for businesses that want to launch and manage their own retail platform with full store-side and admin-side control. Whether you run a single outlet or multiple locations, Next-Gen POS gives you everything you need in one unified system. Next-Gen POS is built on a scalable cloud architecture, which means you can access your business data anytime, from anywhere. As highlighted in the overview section of the document POS System, the system offers a clean and intuitive interface, seamless integration across sales, inventory, and customer management, advanced enterprise-grade security, role-based access for different users. It is designed for retail stores, multi-brand chains, hospitality businesses, boutiques, and service providers who want a professional and reliable POS system. Let's start with the store side. The store panel is designed for daily operations. It is simple, fast, and easy to use. Cashiers can add products quickly using search or barcode, process transactions in seconds, accept multiple payment methods including cash, card, QR, and digital wallets. Apply discounts and promotional offers instantly. Every transaction updates inventory in real time. This means stock levels are automatically adjusted after each sale. If stock falls below minimum levels, smart alerts notify the team to reorder. The store side also supports loyalty programs. Customers can earn points on every purchase and redeem them later for rewards or discounts. And for businesses operating in India or other GST regions, the system automatically calculates tax and generates accurate GST-compliant invoices. Everything is fast, accurate, and designed to. Now let's move to the admin side. This is where the business owner or manager gets full control. From the admin panel, you can add and manage products with images, SKUs, and supplier details. Set pricing rules and bulk pricing tiers. Create promotions like percentage discounts, fixed discounts, and buy one get one offers. Manage multiple store locations from one central dashboard. The admin side provides real-time sales monitoring. You can view daily, weekly, and monthly sales reports. Sales by product, category, or location. Staff performance metrics. Inventory movement and slow-moving products. Custom dashboards allow you to track the most important KPIs for your business. Reports can be exported in Excel, PDF, or CSV format for accounting or management review. This gives business owners complete transparency and data-driven decision-making power. Security is a critical part of any POS system. Next-Gen POS is built with enterprise-grade protection. The platform includes advanced encryption for data security, two-factor authentication for safe login, role-based access control so users only see what they are allowed to access, regular security updates, automatic data backup, 99.9% uptime guarantee. This ensures your business data remains safe, secure, and always available. If you plan to expand, this system grows with you. You can manage multiple branches from one admin panel. Stock can be synchronized across locations. Sales and performance can be tracked store-wise or centrally. Whether you are launching your first store or scaling to a chain of outlets, Next-Gen POS supports your growth. Photon Software has developed this solution to help businesses launch their own branded retail management platform. With cloud-based flexibility, easy implementation, minimal training required, powerful analytics, strong compliance support, dedicated technical assistance, you get more than a billing system. You get a complete retail management ecosystem. If you are planning to launch your own POS platform with full store side and admin side control, Next-Gen POS by Photon Software is the smart choice. Book a demo, request a customized quote, and take your retail business to the next level. Next-Gen POS, where technology meets retail excellence.